All right, grade 5. Let's figure out how we are going to make our own banana launching monkey game. So I know there's a video already doing it, but it's more fun if I can see how I do it with you. So first thing we're going to do here is on our slideshow, you'll notice that you have all the steps actually laid out for you. So you can just double check to make sure that they're all working, which would be great. So step 1, create 3 variables. The total we need to win. So that's the total number of bananas that must be fed to our monkey to win the game. So in this game, in the example, they're saying you need to get 5 bananas to win. So I'm going to say total need to win is my first one. I flick back over here, eaten bananas, how many bananas the monkey eats. So set eaten bananas to 0. So make a variable, eaten bananas, bananas. And my last one here that it says is countdown. So that's the timer so that it's going to be a 10-second game that you'll have to play. The cool thing about variables is you can always change them, but we're going to do it the way that they said for now. So, and then we are going to, now once you've made the variables, you drag them in. So set countdown. Oh, let's read what it says. It's always best to figure it out. Set, 5, 0, 10. Set, 5, 0, 10. So set countdown to 10. Set eaten bananas to 0. And we'll set the first one, which was called total need to win, to 5. And I'm going to encourage you after you make your game to just play with it. And we want this to happen when the flag is clicked. So that's going to start off our game. Okay, perfect. On to step 2. That didn't take us long. Boom. Step 2 says broadcast message 1. That's going to start the game. So we're going to create a message that sends it out to all the sprites that says, hey, now it's time to start our game. So we go to events, broadcast message, and we're going to make a new message, say begin game. So now our game is getting started. Boom, step 2 done. Flying. Third one is to make your own sprite. So it's something that's going to launch the bananas. You can pick whatever you want. I'm going to X myself. You don't need to see me anymore. You can use one of their sprites as the launcher, or you could paint your own. I think the person who created this just used a circle and then added a different shape over top to make it kind of look like a gun. I don't know. I think that looks super weird. That's fine. I'm going to do no outline. I don't know what that was. Okay, there's my sprite. It's not great, but remember, I'm doing this video quick so that we can just use it. I'm also going to make it a lot smaller, so I'm going to make it a 50. And I'll put it over here for now because that's going to be my banana launcher. Next thing, step 4. Oh, and they'd also said, hey, we might want to make the background a different color. Well, she made her own. Step 4, banana launcher sprite. So now we got to click on that sprite, banana launcher. Remember, you can always name it here too. So I'm going to name it launcher so I don't get lost or confused. And we go back to our instructions. Here's what we're going to do. This is going to make the banana launcher move up and down and use the launcher up and right. So it goes up if we press up or right. It goes down if we press down or left. So it's going to turn it and point it. So let's just copy what it says. Show, glide, point, forever. So I'm going to do this, and you guys can do it along with me. I feel like I'm maybe missing a bit of the code. I'm going to pause. All right, so I'm just inside of here. I grab the show block. I know I'm going to need a forever block. I know I'm going to need a glide block. So I'm just pulling them in so that I have them, and a point in direction block. And then we'll need 2 different if blocks. Point in direction. 2 if blocks. If we know those go together. Let's look back to our instructions. Glide 1 to wherever you want it to show up. So I think that's a great spot for my banana launcher. Actually, I'll put it there. Put your banana launcher wherever you want it. Then grab your glide. And now let's double check. So when I receive start game, under events, when I receive begin game, I want to make sure I glide to my location and show up. Show, glide, point in direction 90, so it's shooting forwards. Beautiful. Then if up arrow, up or right is pressed, turn left. If down or left is pressed, turn right. All right. If up or right, so to find your right and your or, if up. Sometimes it's frustrating. Here we go. If up or right is pressed, drop it in. And this all goes inside this forever block. Grab the green block, drop it in the middle. And then we need two more, another or. So maybe we'll start it off in the middle. And then under sensing, we can go to left or down. And we need a motion. Turn right 15, turn left 15. Let's just double check that that's what they say. So left and then right. Perfect. Left and then right. Here we go. Perfect. So we've got everything for the first 4 steps. Okay. Let's shoot bananas out of the banana launcher. So now we need to, when we press spacebar, we're going to fire bananas. Okay, well, we can do that. So I think we're going to need to add a banana into our game. All right, the one thing I realized too is that we need to make sure that this code is on the launcher. So then we can delete it. So now all of our code is right here on the launcher. And when I receive in game, that's going to work. We're going to see total need to win, all of that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now we need to add a banana. So let's find a banana. There they are. You can see that there's 3 of them inside of costumes. If you wanted to, you could erase one of the bananas just by, that's not doing it. Don't do that. Use the eraser if you wanted to erase a banana. But I'm happy with 3 bananas for now. And it's going to shoot them out. I think they're a little bit big, so I'm going to make it like a size 70. Oh, that didn't work. 70. All right, so now I'm going to shoot those bananas. Woo! All right, what's next for those steps for those bananas? Let's do it. So into our banana page. Hide. So when I begin game, we're not going to see the banana. It's going to hide first. And then spacebar. If spacebar is pressed, you're going to go to the banana launcher. We're going to point in the direction of the banana launcher. We're going to show up, and it's going to repeat shooting the bananas until it touches the edge or it touches the monkey, and then it's going to hide. If it touches the monkey, we're going to get a point. So we can do this. I'm going to try and pull some of these out and show you. All right, so you can see I've started putting out the code. I just wanted to show you where you get the go to launcher code from. So go to launcher means the banana is going to go to where this launcher is, which is great. And then I'll pause and keep building. Right, so I was struggling finding direction of, but here it is. That's not it. Direction of, point in direction of banana launcher. I am struggling with this bit. Let me find it. Never mind. There it is. So it's all under sensing. Point in direction of the launcher. So that's where it's going to point. Perfect. Point in direction and show. So that goes underneath. And then because it was hiding before, now we need to make sure it shows up. Looks. Show. Perfect. So we're halfway there. I'll pause and start the next. All right. So we're going to repeat until touching edge or touching monkey. So I grabbed from in here, the operators. Repeat until touching edge or touching monkey. So let's go into sensing. Touching edge or touching monkey. I don't have a monkey yet, so I can't do it. I got to add a monkey. So I'm going to go in here, choose a sprite, add, search for a monkey. There it is. That's beautiful. Back to our code. Touching edge or touching monkey. There it is. Pause again. And we need to move 10 steps. So here we go. Move 10 steps. Repeat until touching edge, touching monkey. So I'm not sure where that goes quite yet. So we'll just keep going back to the instructions. So it goes right underneath the show. So we just drag it in. There it goes. Beautiful work. We're crushing it. Then if touching monkey, then change how many bananas the monkey has eaten. If touching monkey, if sensing touching monkey, then into our variables. All right, so we are back at it, and we have finished step 5. Considering there's only like 7 steps, this shouldn't be too hard. Beautiful. So step 8, take time to take care of the scenario where the player wins. Perfect. So we're going to see what happens when we win. Oh, no, we skipped 7. Probably shouldn't do that. And we skipped 6. My goodness, we skipped it all. So we created step 5. Now we're on step 6 with the monkey. So with our monkey, we're going to show him. We're going to do our costume. And he's going to glide around to a random position. So we can do that. So monkey, when I begin game, show and switch costume. Monkey, when I receive, begin game, we want to show up, meaning we can see him or her, doesn't matter, gender-free monkeys. And I want to show, switch costume, making sure he's in the right fancy costume. Monkey A. There he is. And then we are going to glide around. So forever, glide to, countdown. Forever, glide to random position, and then countdown. How do we get that? Change countdown by -1. Perfect. I think that step is complete. Good. Step 7. Woo! Return to the banana launcher. Okay, this is where we're doing our shooting. We've got all of this. Now we are going to add some code underneath. If eaten bananas equals need to win. Okay, we're going to broadcast you're a winner. So this is where we get the messaging that says, hey, did you win or did you lose? So under events, control, if variables, if eaten bananas equals the need to win, you become a winner. So if they equal each other, so in directions, if eaten bananas equals the total need to win, then broadcast a new message called winner. The second part becomes if countdown equals 0, broadcast game over. If countdown under variables equals 0, get in there. If countdown equals 0, broadcast game over. New message. Game over. Perfect. We'll broadcast that. I think we're done this step as well. Broadcast game over. Beautiful. All right. Last 2 steps, and they are super simple. So we're going to click on the monkey. When I received you are a winner, stop all. All right, so when I receive winner, we go into the events, stop all, show, stop all. So, okay, and when I click on the flag, hide. So we're actually going to put this on the monkey. See winner, stop all, and when the flag is clicked, the monkey needs to hide. All right, let's see what it looks like so far. All right, so I can shoot the monkey, and then once it equaled 5, because I hit him 5 times, the game stops. Let's try again. So he's going random, spinning around. I hit him once. Oh, so we're having a few countdown problems. We hit him one more time. Get 5. Oh, and then it stopped. Oh, perfect. So it's on our way to being a very good game. Let's fill in the rest of the code. So what happens if we get game over? Okay, so when I receive game over, he's going to hide, and it's going to say, time ran out, try again. So I'm going to show you how to finish this up. So when I receive, the flag clicks, okay, and then I want when I receive game over. So under events, when I receive game over, stop all, stop all, and then we're going to have the monkey say something too. So I'm going to pause here. All right, so the game works so far. We just don't have a background. So what we need is we're going to add some backdrops to make it look a lot cooler. So I feel like we should be shooting bananas at a monkey in a jungle. So I'm going to choose a backdrop, and I'm going to search for jungle. And there's a great jungle background. So I want this to happen in the jungle. The other thing is my monkey is way too big. It makes it way too easy. So I'm going to make the monkey a lot smaller. I'm going to make it a 40. So now the monkey's going to bounce around. The bananas are also too big. They're 70. I'm going to make them 50. So now when I play, and you can see me shooting this banana, I also don't like which way it's turning. I find that very, very confusing. So I'm going to stop. That's the joy of this, is you can always go in and change things. So I think the problem is that they're turning in the wrong direction. So I'm going to switch that around, and that's up to you if you want to do that. Now when I play, I can turn left when I want to go left, turn right when I want to go right. Oh, I hit him. Oh, get him. Oh, this is a tricky game. All right, so I lose. So we need to have it say something when I lose. So when he loses, I'm going to pause and figure out how exactly to do that. All right, so I've added in a monkey, and this monkey is going to be you win. You win. Yay. Which is beautiful. You can change the font, play with it, but I'm just trying to get this thing done now. So that's my you win monkey. And so this is going to hide, and he's going to show when you get you win. I'm going to add another monkey for a try again. And you know what? Instead of a monkey, whatever. It really doesn't matter what you pick. If you lose, you get a crab. Makes no sense why, but that's okay. Grab the text box. Try again. Perfect. We grab it. We put it right in the middle, and we get a try again. So I've just got to change a little bit of the code. So normally inside of the code, we will have this sprite we will not see, right? We don't want to see this. So when the flag is clicked, this sprite hides, and we want that to happen to the crab too. So if you drag and drop it and it wiggles like that, it's hiding. So he hides then. When do you get a you win? Well, we actually put this code when I receive winner. So we go into events, we grab the when I receive winner. That's when you look and show. The crab, or drag it over, but not when I receive winner, but rather when I receive game over, you see the crab. We also want this monkey, when I receive winner, to hide. And that monkey's going to hide, and only the launcher will be there. Let's see, after I click save now, if it works. Woohoo! I get a you win. Awesome. And I'll count down 10 seconds and we'll see that you lose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It stops and it says, try again. I'm going to move the crab so that people can see it. This monkey didn't hide when he received game over. So actually I need to go to looks and put a hide in here. And what I have now, after I've saved, is a complete game. Love it. Awesome. Teamwork makes the dream work. We'll see you soon.